Okay, now can look another. So we can look up another topic called game theory. Game is defined as an activity between two or more persons according to a set of rules at the end which each person receives some benefit or satisfaction or suffer loss. It's just like usual games. When we are playing games, one will win the game and other will lose the game. It is a type of decision theory which is concerned with the decision making in situations where two or more rational opponents are involved under conditions of competition and conflicting interest. Both of the players having conflicting interest. The main assumptions of game theories are: the player acts rationally and intelligently. Both the players or who are the parties involved in the game, they act rationally and intelligently. Each player has a finite set of possible course of action, and the players attempt to maximize gain or minimize the losses. The players always trying to maximize their gains, or if they are going to fail in the game, they will try to minimize their losses. All relevant informations are known to every player in the game. All players make individual decisions. All players simultaneously select their respective course of action. That is, every players in the game have the freedom to choose what they need to do. Then the payoff is fixed and determined in advance. Then we can look at some terminologies. First one is strategy. It is the predetermined rule by which a player decides his course of action during the game. There are mainly two types of strategies in the game: pure strategy and mixed strategy. In pure strategy, a decision always to choose a particular course of action. It is a predetermined course of action. The player knows it in advance. Then actually in pure strategy, the player will choose only one strategy and ignores all other strategies. Then in mixed strategy, when the player does not adopt a single strategy at the time but would play different strategies each at a certain time. That is, if a game having three different strategies, and in mixed strategy, for the first half, player A will choose strategy 1, then after that A will choose the strategy 3. That is, more than one strategy used to win a game. That is mixed strategy. Next terminology is the player. Each participants of the game are known as players. Then payoff metric. This is important. Usually the game theories are solved using the payoff metrics. The outcome of a game in the form of gain or loss to competing players for choosing different course of action. Look at this example. There are two players A and B, both having three strategies. Okay. Player A having three strategies, at the same time B also having three strategies. If A selects strategy 1, at the same time B selects strategy 3, then 22 is the outcome. Okay. If this value is positive, which means that is a gain to A and loss to B. If this selected value, instead of this 22, if it is minus 22, which means A loses the game and B wins the game with the same amount 22. Okay. So if these outcomes are positive value, then it is a gain to player A and loss to player B. If any value is negative, then A will lose that much amount and B will gain that same amount. Then the principle used in game theory. Principles used in game theory. Mainly two principles are used in game theory: maximin principle and minimax principle. These two principles are we already discussing while discussing about decision theory. Okay. Maximin principle, first we need to find out the minimum value, then we need to find out the maximum among these minimum value. So the maximum of minimum payoff, we need to find out the minimum payoff, among that we need to choose the maximum. So the maximum of minimum payoff in each row, Minimax criteria applied in column. This is the minimum of maximum payoff in each column. Then an important point in game theory is the saddle point. That is a position in the payoff where its maximin is equal to minimax. Its maximin is equal to minimax. In a game, if the maximin value is equal to minimax value, we can say that the game having saddle point. The value of the payoff value corresponding to minimax maximin values is called the value of the game. The optimal strategy of maximizing player. The maximizing player is always choose the row with saddle point, and minimizing player to choose the column containing saddle point. That is row. That is the maximum of minimum. We need the optimizing player always find to get the maximum among the minimum value, and the minimizing player will always try to reduce his losses. So he will find out the minimum among the maximum values. The element at the saddle point position is the value of the game. We need to study only 2% zero sum game. Okay. So in a game with 2 players, if the gain of one player is equal to the loss of other players, if the number of player is 2, what is the amount that is gained by one player is the same as that of the loss of the second one. It is called 2% zero sum game. Then we already discussed that there is 2 strategies for solving or for winning a game. First is the pure strategy. So we can discuss what is pure strategy game. In a game with 2 players, if the gain of first player is equal to the loss of another player, it is called 2% zero sum game. Okay. In pure strategy, the players use only one particular strategy. In pure strategy, the maximizing player arrives at his optimal strategy on the basis of maximin criteria, while the minimizing player strategy is based on minimax criteria. The maximizing player is always try to maximize his profit. So among the raw minimum, he always try to maximize it. So he choose the maximum among the raw minimum values. The minimizing player will always try to reduce his losses. Okay. So among the maximum column values, he will choose the minimum. The game is solved by equating maximin value with the minimax value. In this type of problem, there is saddle point. If there is maximin value is equal to minimax value, we can say that saddle point exists. We can solve a game. It's a question. There are 2 players A and B, both having 3 strategies. A also having 3 strategies, at the same time B also having 3 strategies, and these are the payoff values. If A choose strategy 1 and B choose strategy 1, the value of the game will be 25. That is A will win 25 and B's loss is also 25. So I am going to solve the problem. I am writing the same questions here. So the maximizing player, that is A, and B is the minimizing player. Maximizing player is always try to maximize his gain. He uses the maximin criteria, that is we need to find out raw minimum. Which is the minimum value among the first row? 20. The second row? 45. Third row? 38. Among the minimum, we need to choose the maximum. Which is the maximum among the minimum? 45. So this is the maximin value. and the minimizing player B will always try to reduce his losses. So here we need to find out the column maximum. Column max, which is the maximum among the first column 50, second 45, third 55. Since he is the minimizing player, he always try to reduce his losses. So which is the lowest? 45. So this is the minimax value. Check. Maximin value is equal to minimax value. Maximin equal to minimax, that is there exists a saddle point. There exists a saddle point, and the value of the game is position at the maximin and minimax value. Maximin is 45, minimax is 45. So this is the value of the game. Value of the game is equal to 45, and strategy of A, since the value of the game is 45, that is A uses strategy 2, which means since it is a pure strategy game, strategy 1 is not using, only 2 is using. And for strategy for B, B also uses strategy 2, that is also 0, 1, 0. Okay. So this is the answer. Value of the game is 45. Since the value of the game is positive, which means A wins the game. Since B equal to positive value, since value of the game is positive, A will win the game. Now we can look at one more problem. For the following payoff metrics of firm A, determine the optimal strategies for both the firms and find the value of the game. Question is given. I have written down the same question. Now we are going to find out the value of the game. First we need to find out rho minimum, which is the minimum among these -1, second -1, third 6, then fourth row -4. In row minimum we need to find out the maximum. So this is the maximin value. Maximin value. In column we need to find out the column maximum. First column maximum 16, second 11, third 6, fourth 14, last column 12. In the column max we need to find out the minimum. So this is the minimax value. The value of the game is intersecting. So this is the value of the game. So since maximin is equal to minimax, there exists a saddle point, and value of the game is equal to 6. Strategy A uses which strategy? A having 4 strategy. Among that A uses strategy 3. So 1 is 0, 2 is 0, 3 A uses. So third value we given 1 here. B uses which strategy? 1, 2, 3, third strategy. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, since B having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And who will win the game? Since the value is positive, A wins the game. A wins the game. We can look at one more problem in pure strategy. Solve the game. I have written down the question here. Then strategy is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First we need to find out row minimum. So first row 0, second row 4, third row 2, and fourth row 1. Then we need among the row minimum we need to choose the maximum. So this is the maximin value. Maximin means we need to find out the minimum first, then we need to find out the maxima among the minimum values. Then we need to find out column max. 9, 6, 4, 8, 8. Among the maximum we need to choose the minimum. So this is the mini max. This is the intersecting. Oh, sorry, not 6 is the minimum, 4 is the minimum value. So this is the mini max value. So which is the value of the game? 4. It includes this one. So this is the maximin value and this is the mini max value. Okay, since maximin is equal to minimax, there exists saddle point. We need to write this step having marks while we are writing the exam. Maximin is equal to minimax is equal to 4. Then the value of the game is equal to 4 and strategy. A uses strategy 2. It is 0, 1, 0, 0. B uses strategy 3. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Who will win the game since the value of the game is positive? A wins the game. This is the